We are on the final stretch of the barn pics. We are putting the pictures on the glass frames, and then we're ready to hang them on the wall. Super happy.
Yay.
Teamwork. Olivia Wilson.
Wills, are you a big helper? We have our pictures that are 11 by 14. Oh yes. And we have our little block that measures the distance off of the frame that we need to be, and our other block.
That keeps you from having to use this all the time.
All the time. Super sneaky. Clear tape holding that on just the tiniest bit, and you for sure can't see it once it goes on the wall. We're ready to hang them. We got them laid out on the floor just to be sure that we liked the way the pictures looked. And we found these little command strips that hang up to 12 pounds. And these are definitely not 12 pounds. So they're picture hanger Velcro. So we're gonna do these on the wall so we don't have to do any holes.
That's a wrap. We got barn pictures on the wall. Woohoo!
Yay.
That's a lot of work
They're
to get there.
So great though.
We had so much fun getting out, exploring the countryside, seeing places we had never seen.
Right?
Just wandering. And then when you can't find frames
Just
that you
build
love,
your own.
you just build your own. So maybe you're thinking, I don't know if I could do that. Well, just buy some frames, print them out, and hang them up. You can do it at your place. So
I'm so happy.
you're happy. We're all happy. See ya. Just kidding. See the wall behind us? It's blank.
4:50 this morning. Crash, bang. Woke me up. Didn't get out of bed to figure out what it was.
Well, that's
but-
always good. I heard nothing. That could have been a burglar, and you're like, let's go back to sleep.
All right. So came down this morning. One of our frames fell off the wall.
I will take all the blame. We should have read the instructions. They recommended like using 4 of them. We used 1. Probably should have used 2 of them. We're gonna nail them onto the wall now.
Later this morning, hear another crash.
People are wondering, did anything break?
One of the frames popped a little bit.
Oh, it
but
did?
None of the glass broke.
I didn't know that.
We have
Is it fixable?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Oh, okay. I didn't know it was broken. Let's nail it to the wall now. It's kind of in your face. I think we are actually done now.
I think so.
I hope so. That only took us about
Wait.
10 minutes to use the fastener. We should have done that in the first
We
place.
should have.
But,
Okay.
you know, you try things and it's not always perfect. So what do? You just keep going. I mean, you don't just give up on it, right?
Right.
So hopefully we do not see you guys tomorrow with stuff falling off the wall, and that is actually a wrap.
Right.
Great job, babe. Wrong button. Hey, we're filming.
I love pictures.
Ready? Mm-hmm. Your hair's so cute.
Thanks.
It's the cutest. We're still, yeah, all right. Where are all, why is the info not there?